This is the Travel Backpack 2-in-1 by Peak Design. It's the ultimate one-bag travel system. A base pack for long-haul storage and a day pack for light on-the-go carry seamlessly combined to create a single system for getting there and being there that's more efficient, adaptable, and streamlined than any other. We made it because other modular travel bags are bulky, awkward, and difficult to use. This one stays clean, structured, and refined, with delightfully simple connection. Real modular utility without compromising experience or aesthetics. The base pack is built to haul. Designed to fit Peak Design packing cubes, camera cubes, or any combination thereof. Big, beautiful access, dedicated laptop and tablet storage, and an ultra-sturdy harness complete with hip belts featuring a new padding layup for ultimate comfort, all of which quickly stows into the back panel. When you arrive, detach the day pack in seconds and head out. Streamlined for daily carry and exploration, the day pack's slim profile and clean lines keep it from looking like a technical afterthought. Top access to the main compartment, plus front access to a pocket for all your essentials. Inside, you'll find an additional laptop sleeve and smart organization for your daily carry. Outside, both packs feature dual stretch pockets for water bottles and quick access storage, as well as connection points for the included external carry straps. Together, the system carries 40 liters and is global carry-on compatible. Separately, the two bags can hold even more. We engineered every last detail of this system to help you travel better. Magnetic strap stays, theft deterrent zip pulls, integrated luggage pass-throughs, hidden AirTag pockets, a luggage tag attachment point, and precision-built custom hardware everywhere. All wrapped in our burly, weatherproof VersaShell fabric with a soft yet durable high-vis recycled liner. To top it off, this bag is Fair Trade certified, Climate Label certified, and guaranteed for life. The Peak Design Travel Backpack 2-in-1. 2 bags, 1 system, 0 compromises.